Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a claim with Admiral Insurance. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you actually want to do is head over to Admiral's website, and once you're on the website you just want to go over to the section where you can make a claim, and feel free to pause the video if you need to take note of this URL quick. And then once you enter in this URL, you will be taken to this page here, and it says, how can we help you with your claim? So the reason we have to come to this page is because you first have to choose which type of insurance you have. So they offer motor, home, landlord, van, multi-cover, travel and pet insurance. So you have to pick which one is right for you. Now I'm assuming most people are coming here for motor insurance, so I'm just going to go ahead and click motor. Now from here you have to tell them a bit about your claim. So if it's a brand new claim, we're going to go ahead and click new claim. Or if you just want to edit something about your existing claim, you want to go ahead and click existing. However, I'm assuming most of you will be looking to make a new claim, so we're going to go ahead and click this. And then from here we have three options to choose from. So the first one is my vehicle is insured with Admiral. The second one is my vehicle is not insured with Admiral. And the third one is I'm only claiming for windscreen or glass damage. So assuming you do have Admiral insurance cover, I'm going to go ahead and choose this first one, which says my vehicle is insured with Admiral. So when we click on this, it will now give us steps in order to start the claim process. So it says it's simple and convenient to register your claim online. All you have to do is log into your account and select claims to start your claim now. From there, one of their dedicated claim handlers will get back to you. Now you can also do this via phone as well if that's something you'd rather do. So that is their phone number there, and these are the times they're open. So if you are going to call them, make sure you call them within the times that they are operating. However, if you're going to do it online, you want to click this green button which says start my claim now. Now from here, of course, you'll have to log into your Admiral account, but once you have done that, you will have a few things you have to fill out. And then once you submit that form, it will be sent off to Admiral Insurance Claim Department, and they will actually start the claim process and they will assist you in making a claim. So that is exactly how you can make a claim with Admiral Insurance. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.